साइड क्लियर.
अंदर आ जाओ, अंदर आ जाओ.
काय काय दुसरी किती हालतं ते.
येऊ नको बाजूला. मॅम सामने, मॅडम समोर बघा. ये स्ट्रेट मॅम. मॅम सेंटर प्लीज. एक सेकंड. मॅम सामने. प्राची मॅम यहाँ. पीछे लोग यार.
नहीं रुको. नहीं आप
Rajiv, what do you want to say today? You are endorsing a Vivo mobile and the brand ambassador investing in you and endorse your mobile. What do you want to say?
I think it's pretty exciting. It doesn't come as a surprise that the camera is really something that we love these days. We all love taking selfies. Whether it's with the friends, with family, or it's just all those million selfies that we take by ourselves. And Vivo V5 has really come out with, I think, an amazing feature. This time the camera is 20 megapixel. I think nothing beats that. And you always try to kind of get the best light for your selfies. This time they have a moonlight glow feature, and I don't think it can be better than that because there's nothing stark that's really coming into your face, but you're getting to take the perfect selfie. I think that's the most exciting feature this time with it. Of course, there's even better music, there's better performance, and I think even appearance wise it really has come up a lot. So I think in every which way it's a great phone.
सबसे पहला मोबाइल आपको कौन सा था, कौन से ब्रांड का आपने यूज़ किया?
I think हम सबकी तरह मेरा पहला फ़ोन नोकिया था. I cannot remember the number, but I remember it was the butterfly phone with I think some 3 colors in it. Yeah.
कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर या एंडोर्समेंट करने के बाद एक सेलिब्रिटी?
Well, of course, it's you have to be. I guess the responsibility definitely is something that you have to be very particular about. You want to make sure that you're endorsing or being the face of something that you really believe in. But yes, I'm here today for the launch of Vivo V5, and I've experienced it for myself, which I think is really, really important. And it was only after I personally saw the features that I was more than happy to be on board with them. Yeah.
Do you really think demonetization affect your movie?
Sorry?
Demonetization, the currency which changed, is really affected your movie Rockon 2?
I think overall, of course, it's affecting everybody in so many different ways. It's, I think, an amazing move which has done for the better, which has been done for the betterment of the country, all the people and everybody. Yes, for a few days it is going to be, kind of difficult in certain situations for a lot of people, but it is for the better overall. So I'd say that yes, you can see the effects in a lot of ways, you know, in every field. But I think I'm looking at the bigger picture. I'm looking at you know, the benefits in the long run.
आपने कितना प्रॉब्लम फेस किया 500,000 में?
Well, I think I would say that I'm fairly clear. So I'm fine and I'm comfortable. But I would really like to help out people, you know, out there. And I want to actually urge everybody to help people that you see who are standing in lines. Maybe just a bottle of water or a small snack or something that you can give them, because I think standing there for those many hours gets really difficult. And for us, you know, who are not there in person, who are you know, comfortable on the other side, I think we should help them out.
Would you like to say some of your upcoming project with us?
I think that's about it for the day. Thank you guys. Thank you.
sure it's not a surprise that the camera is really, you know, very important to me, and I'm a huge fan of that. Actually, I think it's not just me, it's everybody here, because I can see everyone's phone up there. Yes, absolutely. Isn't the camera so really important to all of us? It is. And you know what the best thing is? I think my day was made because I got to experience the Vivo V5 camera, the selfie camera for myself. And I think it takes the best selfies ever. So I think that deserves a huge round of applause.
Absolutely, it has to be a huge round of applause. Come on!
It gives you the perfect selfie. And I'm sure all the guys here will not know that. Ask all the girls at home and they will tell you why.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Well, I see Mr. Han already has a new phone, so we would love it if you guys can also experience the new
Absolutely. And guess what? It's got a 20 megapixel selfie camera. I don't think anything can beat that, right? And, well, this is for the girls. So guys, next time you want to gift a phone to your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, or anybody, remember, you have to give them this phone because it's got the best camera. See, this is what happens. This is what happens on the camera. And don't miss the moonlight glow feature. I think that's the best again.
Yeah. Come on, let's give it up for the new lovely Vivo V5, ladies and gentlemen. And now I would request Prachi, you've got to unveil.
I'm going to take a selfie with all of you guys. What do you say?
But first you've got to unveil the new phone because we giving you your own phone.
How amazing is that? Great. So my first phone, Vivo V5 and a selfie with you guys. I think that's what we do, right?
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the new stunning Vivo V5. Well, the pro is going to do the job. So has been handling this for a long time, and there you go. A girly color for a lovely girl. There is gold and white on the new Vivo V5 for Prachi this side.
ज़्यादा कौन सा लगा 250 लगा
All the phones are on.
On किया क्या?
So Prachi, lovely if you can take a selfie with Mr. Han. Then this entire crowd wants to take a selfie with you.
तो जितना भी ट्रेनिंग है तेरा पीछे पड़ेगा
Wow, a 20 megapixel camera. Oh, this is the new selfie crane. It is the revolution we were talking about, ladies and gentlemen. The very, very stunning Vivo V5 with a 20 megapixel camera. Prachi, now a selfie with the entire crowd. I want everyone to go say cheese when she takes a selfie with all of you. Hey, she'll come to that selfie. Alright, now a selfie with everybody at the back. Let's do a selfie with everyone. Alright guys, ready? Say cheese! Come on, let's have everyone go say cheese! There you have the 20 megapixel camera. We can see everybody right till the end. Come on, we want all the smiling faces in the room. Come on, yeah. Kodak smile ho jaye sabki. Let's do this.
अरे ये कोई पड़ेगा ना और ये क्यों पड़ता है इसमें भी यार पड़ता है
One more time. Let's go say cheese. I love you guys, man. So much great energy. It's unbelievable. New Vivo V5, ladies and gentlemen. While Mr. Han has it in the new stunning black, Prachi gets her own white and gold. How beautiful is that? I'm the only one who's feeling a little left out now. Alright, would you like to add to that experience something?
I think everybody at home is going to be all the more annoyed because every time I'm missing, I'm probably going to be taking selfies somewhere lost out there. So yes, this is really going to spoil me. And well, thank you for spoiling me, Vivo V5. I'm so excited about this, and now I can have the perfect selfies. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
चलो आगे
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go, the stunning new Vivo V5.